Okay, the UN meeting at the 80th anniversary. The UN meeting at the 80th anniversary refer to a special session or gathering held by the United Nations to commemorate 80 years since it found the UN was established in 1945. So the 80th anniversary would be in 2025. Okay, to another slide, such as a meeting usually include one leader speech, head of state, government official, and UN leader reflect on global achievement and challenge. 2. Review of progress, reviewing the UN work in area like peace, security, human rights, and development. 3. Future plan, discussing strategy for global cooperation for the next decade. 4. Special event, culture program, award, or exhibition to celebrate the UN history, a commemorative UN gathering to celebrate 80 years of organization and plan ahead for global issue. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.